Hi everyone, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix Messenger video call camera off problem. So let's see how to fix it. First of all, you need to update your Messenger, so open Play Store, just click on Play Store and click on search bar. Now click on search bar, search for Messenger. Now update Messenger, just click on update. After updating your Messenger, just tap and hold on Messenger. Now click on I button. Now scroll down, click on storage. Now just clear data. Now click on delete. Now go back to home screen. Normally restart your phone. After all steps, I hope your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.